All right, welcome to the video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to withdraw from Tradersway. This is very easy to do, and I've had a lot of success with Tradersway. I found them to be very reliable in terms of withdrawals. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to withdraw some of this balance here from some commissions that I made from Tradersway. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to click withdraw, and then it's going to ask me to choose a withdrawal method on the left. So here you can see all the different withdrawal methods. I'm going to withdraw it into Litecoin, and I'm going to send it to my Exodus wallet. So for this case, I'm going to select this account. I'm going to put the amount, and I'm going to put in my PIN code. And then I will need my Litecoin address. So I'm going to find that in Exodus. Okay, I'm using my Exodus wallet, and I'll go to the wallet here, and it's already on the Litecoin. So I'm just going to click receive to generate this address and copy it. Okay, so now I've copied this address to the clipboard, and I'm going to put it in here, and I'll just put Tradersway. And I'm going to send the request. So now it's been generated and it has to be confirmed. It's going to send me an email, and I'm going to go confirm that now. All right, so here's the email you get. It says, please confirm your withdrawal request, and it will basically reiterate what you're doing and where you're sending it. And then all you do is click that to confirm that, and then it's been in the queue for processing. So once it's done, I'll receive an email, which won't take long at all. So right now it's 11:28 a.m. This withdrawal request obviously has to be confirmed by Tradersway. So it will take some time for them to do that, and then I'll get notified once it hits my Exodus account. I'll also receive an email from Tradersway once they have sent that transaction into the queue, because that's something they obviously need to process manually. All right, so just following up to that video, that was on July 22nd when I requested that, and as you can see, by less than 24 hours later, on July 23rd, that deposit had been received in Litecoin in my account here, and you can see that July 23rd for the 269.28. That's what came into my account. So this allows me to make a personal note about it, and I'll just put that this is from Tradersway, just for my own personal information. And yeah, so you can see that does not take a long time. And Tradersway actually is very good about withdrawals, which is something that you do want to be concerned about when you're looking at Forex. But I haven't had any problems making withdrawals using Tradersway. So if you have any questions about Tradersway or Exodus, let me know. I'll also put a link in the description to some service that I like where you can actually earn money on your cryptocurrency. And if you have any questions about that, hit me up. All right, well, that's it for this video. We'll see you in the next one.